So good afternoon. So welcome back for the IQM lectures. Okay, so today we will take a practical. Hmm? So from yesterday we have started the practicals. Okay, so we will move towards practical number one of IQM subject. Okay, so there are total six practicals. So we will try to finish that six practical in six practical lectures. Okay, so let's start. So whatever that practical we have given name as a tutorial book, Industrial and Quality Management of the last semester. Okay. So what is the index? So what we have to study in this practical session? Okay, so these are the index of our IQM subject. So contents, index, vision, mission of department. Hmm? Introduction to the first practical is the introduction to the industrial management. Basic. Okay, already we have discussed in section number first. Okay. Second practical is how to write a seminar report. Now, what is actually seminar? Okay, so what is the procedure of seminar report? Why? Because as you are the final year students, okay, so we are dealing with the final report writing of your project. Okay, you might be going on. Huh? So this is a task. Okay, what is the procedure to write a project report, seminar report? What is the methodology of that? Okay, which chapter should be included? Now, what is the structure or what is the sequence of that seminar report? So that point we will discuss in chapter number second practical. Now, third practical is a case study of the manufacturing industry. So we have to uh, write one case study we have to study. So I will also show in industrial work of one manufacturing industry. So after that we will write one page report on same. Okay, and that total six report or six write up pages you should submit to me as a practical or as a for the term work. Is it right? So third practical is having case study of manufacturing industry, case study of service industry, case study of market survey of the product. Is it right? Market survey of product. So that we will also study in second last practical. And last practical is the analysis of total quality management tool. So this is very important. Now this is related to the second section. Okay, so analysis, there are different tools are available in manufacturing organization or industrial organization. So that study or that tools, that softwares we have to study. Okay, so we will take a very important session on them also. Okay, so analysis of total quality management. So one of the tool we will try to study. Okay, so number of MCDM methods are there. So problem solving methods are there. Okay, content beyond syllabus, 8 step in Taguchi methodology. So uh, these are the basic information about the vision mission of institute department. Okay, so departmental project educational objectives, which objectives we should find out. Okay, so that is a standard. Now our duty of teacher also and student also, we have to reach whatever target, whatever program educational objective we have decided. Okay, so all the objectives we have to this objective is decided. Okay, so we will try to get complete all the objective, and that objective will become a output of your subject. Okay, so what are the objective? Function successfully in the professional environment by demonstrating technical expertise to provide holistic solutions for the complex and emerging problems in the field of design engineering. Okay. So as mechanical engineer we have to study to whenever we will get any problem. Okay, now what are the methods to solve that problem? So in this subject also, in this second section also, number of techniques are available. Is it right? So in branch or whatever the field may be, design engineering, heat power, renewable energy, automation, industrial engineering, manufacturing, and related management with the different management industrial organization may be there. So with consideration of safety, sustainability, economical feasibility, and environmental impact related issues, we have to find out. Okay, and after find out, so resolution of that impact, okay, resolution of that issues, problem. Okay, so we have to solve that problem with the help of different software, different tools and techniques of management. Is it right? This is the first objective of this IQM subject or this practical. Second objective is to demonstrate strong leadership and the communication skill and ability to function effectively as an individual as well as a part of team. Already we have finished the section number first. Okay, so hope you all have eligible for the managerial post. Okay, म्हणजे मला तर असं वाटतं की जे आपण 4 चॅप्टर बघितले, what are the management functions. Okay, so this is the objective. Already we have discussed this point at the start of subject. Okay, so demonstrate the strong leadership and the communication skill. What is different communication skills? What is actually which type of communication should be followed in industry or organization? Okay, leadership qualities. So already we have discussed in chapter number section number first. Okay, different ability, different skills, functions. Okay, maybe individual or the organization. Already we have discussed individual also and for the organization also. Okay, so these are the objectives. Second objective. Now third is engage in enrichment of knowledge and skills through lifelong learning to evolve innovative solutions in the mechanical engineering. So different tools are available. Okay, whatever knowledge we have studied in this subject, that knowledge should be implemented in whenever you will join as a manager or whenever you will start your industry or any organization. Okay, so in future, so we have to use knowledge, whatever that knowledge we have studied in this subject, that knowledge should be implemented in your career. Okay, so these are the very important objective. Demonstrate a sense of moral and ethical values in their career also. Already we have discussed a lot. ओके, मग तुम्हाला मी बोललेला कधी राग पण आला असेल, बरोबर का? सो दॅट पॉइंट्स आर ऑल्सो व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. ओके, मग ते तोही सिलेबसच पॉईंट आहे. म्हणजे राग आल्याशिवाय पण माणूस सुधारत नाही, बरोबर का? सो डेमॉन्स्ट्रेट अ सेन्स ऑफ मोरल अँड ethical values, whatever ethics, whatever moral values we have discussed in chapter number 1. Okay, so that should be demonstrated in your career point of view. Okay, so these are the objectives. Okay, so already we have finished the section number first. Okay, so hope you all have understood all the factors, points. Is it right? So these are the program outcomes of engineering field. Okay, so already we have discussed a lot. If you visit our campus or our campus, overall campus, okay, so everywhere we will get this information. Okay, आता तुम्ही किती वेळा वाचले मला माहित नाही, पण प्रत्येक ठिकाणी ही लावलेली. Okay, so these are the PSOs. Okay, program specific outcomes. Some outcomes are there. Okay, so which outcomes are there? First is a design a system, component or process to meet design need within the realistic constraints such as economic, environmental, social, regulatory, ethical, health, safety, manufacturability and sustainability. So already we have discussed all the points considering in management language, considering in first section. Okay, we have used all the terms in our management study. Okay, so economic factors already we have discussed, environmental factors also, social factors, ethical factors, regulatory, okay, ethical factors, health related, safety related factors, manufacturability and sustainability. Okay, so already we have discussed that point, and in this current section also we will study that manufacturability and sustainability options also. Design and conduct, these are the objectives of the outcomes. Design and conduct experiment as well as to analyze the interpret data in different area of design engineering, heat, power, renewable energy. Okay, already these are nothing but the whatever we have set goal in objective, that goal we have to reach up to them. Okay, so we have to fulfill that goals. Is it right? So this is our target, and that are the outputs. Outcomes. Use techniques, skills and upcoming software, machine tools, processes necessary in the practice of mechanical engineering profession. Is it right? So whatever available resources in industry, all the sources you have to use very well. Is it right? As considering innovation, okay, considering the government rules and regulation. Is it right? So whatever the rules given by government, whatever the rules given by the organization sector, okay, so you have to implement them. Okay, for example, within a defined day or indefinite date, 1 year, 2 year, okay, so versions of electronic versions, okay, mobile versions are updating, even automobiles are also updating, BS1, BS2, BS3, BS4, BS6, okay, so these are the upgradation, okay, industry 1 0, industry 1, industry 2, okay, industry 4.0, industry 3.0, industry, these are the innovations, okay, so we have to implement that whatever the upcoming or whatever in future different technology will be there, okay, so we have to accept that whatever that additional or innovative ideas, okay, innovative softwares, different tools, machine tools, different processes, that processes we have to implement in our career also, in practice also, okay, definitely whatever the mechanical engineering will be as a profession, okay, so these are the outcomes of this subject, okay, so next is a, so directly we will start the practical number 1, okay, so what is practical number 1 related to the management, introduction to the industrial management, okay, already we have discussed a lot in lecture also, okay, so we will take a very short revision of them, that is it right, so different definitions are explained here. So at the end of this practical, you have to write down 1 page report. Okay, so I will share one sheet also for the practical submissions. Okay, so daily we will submit that practicals also. Okay, so I will share whether Google Drive maybe or Google Form maybe. Okay, so concept of industrial management. Now, industrial management is the organizational process that includes strategic planning, setting objectives, managing resources, deploying the human and financial assets needed to the achieve objectives, and measuring result at the end. Okay, so these are the objectives already we have discussed. Okay, industrial management is the organizational process. Generally, we can say the management is one of the process. Huh? Why process? Process is nothing but the something way is there. Okay, there is a no only single objective, there is a line of objective, or we can say that the line of work. Okay, definitely that is nothing but the organizational process. Okay, so we can say that the methodology, okay, sequence, scheduling, okay, so any word we can give for that industrial management, that includes strategic planning. Okay, what is planning? Planning is what we have to do in future, okay, or whatever the plan of your entire work. Okay, so this is nothing but the planning. Strategic planning already we have discussed in chapter 1. Setting objectives, okay, that will be also in first step. Managing resources according to the planning, okay, what is the requirement, okay, what is the requirement for the as a raw material, okay, now requirement is nothing but raw material may be there, recruitment is required, okay, land area, financial support, technology, permissions, is it right? So that are the different resources we have to use, okay, land, water, okay, जे काय आपण म्हणतो प्रायमरी नीड्स असतात त्या, अन्न वस्त्र निवारा शिक्षण आरोग्य, that are the managing resources, okay, that will also consider the managerial resources. Okay, so we have to managing that resources, deploying the human and financial asset needed to achieve objective. Deploying is nothing but you have to market, for example, you have to distribute. Deploying is nothing but distribute the human and financial assets needed to the achieve objective. Whatever the human, whatever the resources you are having in your organization, okay, suppose for example in your industry there is a 50 employees, okay, so you have to distribute them, you have to deploying them for particular work, okay, and also you have to take whatever the follow up of all the entire organization recruitment or manpower, okay, so deploying human and financial assets also. Now in marketing also financial department we have discussed all the points, okay, Okay, so we have to audit them, we have to maintain budget, okay, budget, sanction budget, utilization. So that factors will be considered in the industrial management, okay, to needed to achieve objectives, whatever objective we have decided that to reach up to that objective, to fulfill that objective, that objective will become outcomes. For that purpose this is required, is it right? So, and measuring result at the end. Okay, measuring result is nothing but we can say the measurement or analysis, results, is it right? So this is actually process of the management, okay, we can say that the definition of the industrial management. Now, industrial management is a process of planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, and controlling. Okay, so already we have discussed five managerial functions. The same are there. Hmm? Directing, coordinating. Okay, so that we have discussed in leading. Okay, instead of leading, they have given here two words: directing and the coordinating. Okay, so all these factors we have discussed in leading factor. Okay, controlling. Okay, so these are the managerial functions or management functions. Is it right? So co- controlling the activities of business enterprises. Okay, industrial organization is nothing but there may be any business may be there. Okay, enter product industry may be there, service industry may be there, any organization may be there. Okay, so there is a no limit. Okay, there are number of factors. Banking is separate. Okay, educational institutes are separate. Okay, there are number of areas are available in market. Okay, so but we have to watch that organization with the help of management language. Okay, कुठलंही घ्या. Okay, any media, any organization you can take as a management organization. Okay, so everywhere management is required. Okay, so we have to implement our management knowledge to into that entire business. Is it right? Or whatever enterprise may be there, industry may be there. Okay, service industry may be there, product industry may be there. Okay, again NGOs may be there. Okay, so these are the some organizations. Okay, so we have to implement our entire management process, entire management language for the growth of that business enterprise. Is it right? So it is also described as a technique of leadership, decision making, and mean of coordinating. Okay, so leadership, what is the requirement of leadership? Already we have discussed the decision making. Okay, whenever there will be number of alternatives. Okay, so that time we have to take a decision which alternative we have to choose. Okay, what are the pros and cons of that decision. Okay, so we have to think on that. So decision making, leadership, and mean of coordinating, controlling of the entire industry. So that points we have to study. Okay, management is the coordination of all resources through the process of planning, organizing, directing, controlling in order to attain stated goal. Okay, so whatever the goal we have decided, whatever objective we have decided, so we have to go, we have to achieve them. In short, it can be described as the art of getting things done by others. Okay, is it right? What is the main function of industrial management? Okay, or we can say that the manager, art of getting things done by others. म्हणजे आपल्याला काय करायचं, इथं काम करून घ्यायचं. काम करण्यापेक्षा काम करून घेणं अवघड असतं, बरोबर का? सो आर्ट ऑफ गेटिंग. नाउ why we are studying this subject? So we have to fulfill or we have to learn one of the art. Okay, management सुद्धा एक आर्टच आहे. So that art we have to learn. Okay, so art of getting things done by others. We have to done overall work with the help of others. Okay, whatever the resources we are having. Okay, so for that purpose already we have discussed, for that resources, for that manpower we have to give motivation to them. Is it right? How that other people, other employee will help you, other worker, people, subordinates, person, how they will start work. Okay, so for that purpose the managerial role is very important. Okay, so this is also art of getting things done by the others. Okay, so this is our main concept of industrial management. Is it right? So there are next definitions of the industrial management. Some of the academicians has given the definitions. Okay, so according to the Taylor, hmm, Taylor says that management is an art of knowledge, art of knowing what is to be done and setting that it is done in the best possible manner. Okay, in basic, what is a management? Management is art to getting the or to reach up to objectives. Okay, whatever objective, meaning is same, but whatever the statements are different. Okay, management, Taylor says that management is an art of knowing what is to be done. Okay, what is to be done is nothing but planning. Okay, so according to planning and seeing that it to done in the best possible manner. Planning, organizing, leading, controlling, starting. Okay, so all the factors will be considered in the management. Okay, so already Taylor is same saying whatever the art knowing. Okay, so that objectives, that planning we have to implement, and after implement you will get the definitely profit. Okay, so this is a main definition of the management given by F.W. Taylor. Okay, now according to Henry Fayol, Henry काय म्हणतोय, so management is forecast to plan. Forecast is also nothing but planning is, huh? Okay, or initial discussion. Forecast to plan, to organize, to command, to coordinate and control activities of others. Okay, so the also Henry is given managerial functions only. Okay, management is a forecast, planning, organizing, command, controlling, coordinating. नेक्स्ट कोण आहे? अकॉर्डिंग टू जोसेफ मॅसी, एक पण इंडियन दिसत नाही आपला. आपले कशाला आहेत इंडियन मग? कशाला आहेत? Okay, so this is a I think very bad thing, huh? So if you have learned the academic chapters, okay, म्हणजे माझ्यामध्ये 10वी मराठी विषय झाल्यानंतर मराठी नाव मला तर कुठे दिसलंच नाही, बरोबर का? दिस इज आपण काय म्हणू शकतो, आपला कमीपणाच आहे खरं. ठीक आहे, बघू आपल्यातला एखादा कोणतरी व्हावा. असं इथं दिसलं पाहिजे अकॉर्डिंग टू द अण्णा, असं कोण आहे का आपल्यात असं? ओके, जोसेफ मॅसी, मॅक फार्लान. सो दिस इज आवर ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह. व्हायला पाहिजे आपल्याला पण असं कोणतरी. काय सेम ह्यात अवघड काय सांगितलं त्यांनी? ओके, बट दे हॅव गिवन द टाइम. दिस इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. ओके, नाहीतर आपल्या मागचा प्रपंच संपत नाही. प्रपंच संपता संपता माणूस संपून जातोय. ओके, सो वी हॅव टू टेक अ टाइम फॉर दी सोशल वर्क ऑल्सो. ओके, ह्याने काय केलं, सोशल वर्क केलं आणि त्यातून पुढे गेले, तेच करिअर बनलं त्यांचं. ओके, सो देर आर डिफरंट अल्टरनेटिव्ह, सो वी हॅव टू सर्च दॅट अल्टरनेटिव्ह ऑल्सो. इज इट राईट? So again, so moving towards our next point. According to the Joseph, management is a process by which cooperative group directs action towards command goal. Okay, so what they have given, Joseph says that cooperative group directs action toward command. Whatever the command is given by planning member or planning, so they will cooperate to that particular group. Definitely work will done. Okay, so this is the process, is nothing but management. According to McFarland, management is that process by which managers create, direct, maintain, operate purposive organization through systematic coordinated and cooperative human efforts. Is it right? Management is related to the human effort, definitely. Because management is nothing but a driver. Manager is a driver of entire industry. Okay, म्हणजे गाडी कुठं रस्ता सोडून घालवायची का बाबा रोडवरूनच गेले पाहिजे, त्याच्या हातामध्ये. ओके, सो मॅनेजमेंट इज अ प्रोसेस. दे हॅव टू फॉलो द रूट, ओके, बेस्ट रूट. डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट सक्सेस. सो meaning is same. Okay, this is the art, okay, to do work. Is it right? So ठीक आहे. ऍप्लिकेशन ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल मॅनेजमेंट. ओके, सो नंबर ऑफ ऍप्लिकेशन्स म्हणजे बघा तुम्ही, डोक्यापासून जर पायापर्यंत जर काय काय गोष्टी लागतात. सगळ्या इंडस्ट्रीज मध्ये बांधतात. ओके, किंवा आपल्या डोळ्याला जे जे काय दिसतंय, दीज आर द ॲप्लिकेशन ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल मॅनेजमेंट. ओके, हातामध्ये मोबाईल आहे आपल्या. दिस इज also application of industrial management. Now, applications of industrial management. Initially, the application of the industrial management was restricted to manufacturing industry. Okay, sometime there was the only restricted to the manufacturing industry. Later on, it spread to non-manufacturing activities such as construction and transportation, farm, airlines operation and maintenance, military operations. Okay, म्हणजे काही काळापूर्वी ओके काय होतं, मॅनेजमेंट इज रिस्ट्रिक्टेड, इंडस्ट्रियल मॅनेजमेंट इज रिस्ट्रिक्टेड ओनली मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री. ओके, बट नाव डे इंडस्ट्री और इंडस्ट्रियल मॅनेजमेंट इज इम्प्लिमेंटेड इन ओव्हरऑल एंटायर वर्ल्ड. ओके, वाय मॅनेजमेंट घरामध्ये पण आहे बघा आपल्या. ओके, भांडणं कशी करायची, ओके भांडणं केले तर ते मॅच कशी करायची, डॅमेज कंट्रोल. ओके, म्हणजे आता सध्या बघताय तुम्ही डॅमेज कंट्रोल, हाऊ वी हॅव टू डॅमेज कंट्रोल, म्हणजे डॅमेज करायचं कसं, कंट्रोल कसं करायचं. दिस इज ऑल्सो मॅनेजमेंट. म्हणजे एव्हरीवेअर मॅनेजमेंट इज रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, आता काय एखादं काम सांगितलं ते झालं नाही आपल्याकडून, तर ते तुम्हाला आन्सर द्यायचं, ते सुद्धा मॅनेजमेंट आहे ना. कसं खोटं बोलायचं, कसं समजून सांगायचं. ओके, इवन एक्झामिनेशन ऑल्सो. ओके, वेन एव्हर यू विल राईट द एक्झामिनेशन, काय करतोय आपण, त्याला समजून सांगतोय ना एक्झामिनरला, हे बाबा हे असं असते बरोबर का. हे एक्झामिनरची पीएचडी होईल आपल्या आन्सर ऐकून. Is it right? So nowadays industrial management is implemented overall. You can say that the non-manufacturing industry such as construction. Okay, in construction also management is there. Suppose you are knowing that there is a separate branches are available. Okay, for example, architecture engineer. Okay, so what is the main role of that architecture engineer? This is also management. Management of construction is nothing but architecture. Okay, so what they will do, so whatever the aesthetic look they will give, ergonomic concept they will give, whatever the entire design they will give. Okay, so for that purpose the management also implemented. Okay, construction, transportation also, is it right? So where for if you consider the काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला, MSRTC. Okay, what is MSRTC? एस टी महामंडळ. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो मॅनेजमेंट ना. आता पंढरपूर एस टी डेपोकडे 3000 एस टी बस आहे. हाऊ दे कॅन मॅनेज, एक पंढरपूरला सोलापूरला सोडा, पुण्याला सोडा, पुन्हा 10 मिनिटात सोडा. दिस इज ऑल्सो मॅनेज क्रिटिकल ना. ओके, सो फॉर दॅट पर्पज ऑल्सो मॅनेजमेंट इज ॲप्लिकेबल. ओके, वेन वॉट एव्हर दॅट ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन फॅसिलिटी विल बी देअर. Okay, when what is actually time, what is timetable, schedule of that entire transportation, is it right? So for that purpose management is required na. Already we have discussed, suppose now for the delivery of your product from company or from industry to the customer. Okay, so for that purpose the transportation is required. Now which transportation should be followed? Okay, what is the maximum time for the transportation, what is the cost of the transportation, which media should be acceptable for the transportation. Okay, by road, by sea or water, or by aeroplane. Okay, or by air. So that factors will be also in nowadays management is required in transportation also. Is it right? So again, farm agriculture sector is also very बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल मॅनेजमेंट. ओके, म्हणजे जे ह्यांनी केलं नाही ते आता कर्जात आहेत बघा तुम्ही. बट दोज फार्मर्स आर इनोव्हेटिव्ह नाव, इज इट राईट? दोज आर युझिंग डिफरंट इनोव्हेशन्स. ओके, ते लोक आज पुढे गेले बघा तुम्ही. म्हणजे शेतकरी सगळा दुःखी नाही बरोबर का. मग 100% शेतकऱ्यामधले एक 70% शेतकरी आहेत कर्जबाजारी किंवा बाबा उत्पन्न त्यांचं नाही करणार, पण 30% जर तुम्ही बघितलं तर इनोव्हेटिव्ह आहेत ना. ओके, सो दे आर काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला, दे आर फुलफिलिंग द नीड ऑफ एंटायर वर्ल्ड. म्हणजे शेतकरीच पोट भरतो लोकांचं. इज इट राईट? हाऊ दे आर वर्किंग विथ हेल्प ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट. ना वेन एव्हर यू विल अप्लाय इंडस्ट्रियल मॅनेजमेंट ऑर agricultural management to your industry or to your farm, definitely you will get the success. Okay, because बघा ना सगळ्या इंडस्ट्री आजपर्यंत सक्सेस झाल्या, ऍग्रिकल्चर का होणार नाही विथ द हेल्प ऑफ मॅनेजमेंट? Definitely. Okay, so some innovations we have to made. Okay, definitely agriculture sector is also very important and very potential of agricultural profit of potential of maximum profit is available in farm sector. Okay, so you have to think on them. Okay, whatever the innovative point things we have to accept it. Okay, म्हणजे पाऊस पडला ज्वारी पेरली झालं तेवढंच करायचं, म्हणजे नवीन काय करायचं विचारच करायचं नाही. बरोबर का? म्हणजे आता ठिबक सिंचन वगैरे आले. सो मॅक्सिमम वी कॅन से दॅट what are the innovative things are there. Okay, so that things we have to study again. Is it right? नाहीतर अजून आपण काय करतोय बघा, लाईट गेली की शेतकरी पळतोय. मी कुठेतरी काल ऐकलं माझ्या कीर्तनात कोणातरी की लाईट गेली शेतकरी गेला चालू करायला, पुन्हा आला मागे लाईट गेली. ओके, मग ती दिवसभर हेलपाडं घालूनच मरून चालला शेतकरी. ओके, बट दे हॅव टू यूज समथिंग इनोव्हेशन ना. ऑटो आहे आपल्याकडे, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मीडियम आहे. ओके, फोनवर मोटर चालू होते आता, बरोबर का? पण ते ऍक्सेप्टच करायचं ना लोकांना. ओके, नाव दे हॅव टू इम्प्लिमेंट देम. नाव वेन दे विल इम्प्लिमेंट, वेन एव्हर दॅट फार्मर विल लर्न. जर शिक्षण झालं तरच हे सगळं होणार आहे ना. आता आपले इंजिनियर सगळे समजा तुमची डिव्हिजन 82 आहे, बरोबर का? आता 82 लोक तुम्हाला जर रानात सोडलं तिकडं, तर नक्की तुम्ही त्या शेतकऱ्यापेक्षा काहीतरी वेगळं करचाल ना. काय? वाय? बिकॉज यू हॅव लर्न लॉट ना. टेक्नॉलॉजी वी हॅव स्टडीड. ओके, सो this is also huge potential is available in farm sector also. Okay, so purposefully I am telling that because I think 90% of student, okay, including me also, okay, so we those are from agricultural background, okay, or farming background. So for that purpose I have given that. Okay, generally I am very best speaker on that sector, so whenever I will get time, so I will also explain very well in future also. Okay, so this is a very, whenever you will apply industrial management in this sector, definitely you will get the best output. Okay, airlines operation and maintenance, definitely. Suppose is it easy of airline operation, म्हणजे कुठलं विमान काय म्हणतो पण त्याला, समजा फ्लाईट असेल एअरलाईन मध्ये, समजा मुंबई जो दुबई, दुबई जो कोलकाता, कोलकाता तो दिल्ली, अमेरिका, ओके, जिथं असेल तिथे चायना, श्रीलंका. सो वी हॅव टू मॅनेज. सो दिस इज अ व्हेरी क्रिटिकल काय म्हणतो मॅनेजमेंट. ह्याच्यावर बघा 1000 पिक्चर आले असतील सिनेमा, बरोबर का? त्या एअरलाईनचे कोणी हॅक केलंय तुमचं प्लेन, बरोबर का? ह्याच्यावर एक पिक्चर, त्या पूर्ण त्या काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला, त्या प्लेन मध्ये 2-2 तासाचे पिक्चर तयार केले लोकांनी. ओके, तरी ते कोट्याचे झाले. So airlines, suppose there is management of airline is also critical. Whenever you will get chance, okay, as a pilot or in military service or in defense service, this is a very great and honored sectors. Okay, so management of entire transportation, airline transportation is also very best example or application of industrial management. ओके, नाहीतर काय होईल बघा, मुंबईवरून आलेले एकाच वेळेस 4-5 विमान जर आले पुणे विमानतळावर, काय होईल तिथे धडकाधडकी झाली तर काय होईल, दॅट विल बी व्हेरी डेंजरस. ओके, बघा तुम्ही कधी आतापर्यंत मला तर आठवत नाही की 2 विमान एकमेकाला धडकलेत का कोण आहे तिकडं शेतात वगैरे. गाड्या धडकतात आपल्या गावात, पण कधी एअरलाईन धडकली एकमेकाला आले का असं नाही, बिकॉज द व्हेरी ग्रेट मॅनेजमेंट दे आर फॉलोइंग. ओके, so industrial management they are using in that airline operations. Okay, for maintenance also. Okay, so in that another one of the field is there. Okay, maintenance in production we can say that. Okay, so with the help of industrial management, maintenance is followed. Military operations, okay, number of military operations are there. There also industrial management is required. Is it right? म्हणजे मध्ये बघा जे होतं, चायनाची लोक आपल्याकडे यायची म्हणजे बांधकूप पोखरायला, बरोबर का, किंवा कोण अतिक्रमण करणार. सो फॉर दॅट पर्पज व्हेनेवर यू विल use the industrial management, definitely you will get safety again. Okay, so in military different number of military applications are there. So there also the industrial management is using. Is it right? So these are the applications in industry. Besides the production, other departments utilizing industrial management concept are marketing. In marketing also financing, purchasing, industrial relations. Okay, so these are the also applications of industrial management. Okay, already we have discussed my marketing department, 1 hour we have given. financial department we have given, purchasing, industrial relations. Okay, so these are the applications of industrial management. So next is the management functions. Okay, so already we have a lot of discussion is there. Okay, आता तुम्ही काय राग येईल तुम्हाला माझा आता हे तेच सांगते म्हणून, बट दिस इज अ इम्पॉर्टंट. So management functions, forecasting is necessary before planning. Okay, initial planning already we have discussed. It begins with sales forecast followed by production forecast and forecast for cost, finance, purchase, profit or loss. Okay, म्हणजे काम करू का नको, हे कामाला स्टार्ट करू का नको, दिस इज नथिंग बट फोरकास्टिंग. प्लॅनिंग कधी, हां वी हॅव फिक्स्ड द टू स्टार्ट दॅट वर्क. ओके, मग तिथून पुढे प्लॅनिंग सुरू झालं. जे आधीचं डिस्कशन असेल ते काय असणार आहे, फोरकास्टिंग. ओके, व्हॉट एव्हर द नॉलेज टेकिंग, म्हणजे कुठलं जरी इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये जाऊन ट्रेनिंग घेतलं तुम्ही, ओके, कोणाच्या हाताखाली काम केलं तिथून शिकला, ओके, दॅट इज नथिंग बट एंटायर फोरकास्टिंग. ओके, वेन एव्हर यू विल स्टार्ट युअर इंडस्ट्री, okay, so that will be start the planning will start. Is it right? After planning, so we already discussed in planning number of points. Organizing, staffing is nothing but recruitment. Okay, different HR resource management we already discussed. Directing, directing you can say that the involves motivating, guiding, supervising subordinates towards company's objectives. Is it right? So that factors we already discussed. Coordinating, achieving harmony of individual effort toward the accomplishment of company is the meaning of coordinating. Okay, coordinating is nothing but the achieving our goal. Okay, that may be individual or group of people. Okay, so actually we have to reach whatever the company's goal, accomplishment of company's goal. Okay, controlling. So controlling is nothing but the measurement, we can say that. Controlling is the process that measures current performance and guides it towards some predetermined goals. Okay, whenever any controlling is nothing but comparison of standard and actual part. Okay, whatever the comparison of standard and actuality. Okay, so this is nothing but again measurement. Okay, if there will be some gap, so we have to fill that gap. Okay, so there will be any additional work may be there, so we can reduce them. Okay, so this is nothing but the controlling. Decision making. Okay, so decision making is very huge point. Okay, म्हणजे डिसिजन मी तुम्हाला बऱ्याच गोष्टी सांगितल्या. ओके, म्हणजे आज कुठला ड्रेस घालून जायचं, ओके, ह्याला सुद्धा नॉलेज लागते. ओके, म्हणजे आता तुम्हाला माझ्यापेक्षा जास्त असेल, this is also decision na, which vehicle we should buy, okay, which raw material we should buy. So everywhere decision is required. Why decision is required? Because in entire world number of alternatives are available. Is it right? म्हणजे आपल्याला अवेलेबल आहे म्हणून तिथं समजते आपल्याला. आता काय गोष्टी असेल जे एकच आहे, बरोबर का. आता आपल्याला वाटतंय माझं मला नाक कमी आहे, बरोबर का, माझा कान मोठेच आहेत, दिसायला मी गोरा नाही, ओके, असं प्रत्येकाला वाटत असेल, बरं का. पण ते चेंज करू शकतो का आपण, तिथं अल्टरनेटिव्ह नाही आपल्याला, म्हणून काय करायचं, त्याला पावडर लावतो, बरोबर का. ते आता त्याला अल्टरनेटिव्ह काय, बट वी कान चेंज आवर बॉडी. म्हणजे नाक बदलता येत नाही, कान बदलता येत नाही, हां त्याला तुम्हाला नटवता येईल, ओके, त्याला अल्टरनेटिव्ह डिफरंट आहेत. बट वेन एव्हर डिसिजन विल बी मेड, if there will be different alternatives will be available. Okay, so that is a important factors. Is it right? So decision making, it is a process by which a course of action is chosen from available alternatives for the purpose of achieving desired result. Definitely. So according to your objectives, so we have to reach up to our decided or objectives. Okay, so fulfill our objective. Okay, so this is a all about practical number 1. Okay, so if any doubt is there, this is totally theoretical. So at the end of this practical you have to write down 1 page report. म्हणजे आता हे आहे असं उतरू नका एका पेजवर, तुम्हाला जे काय समजलं तुमच्या भाषेत लिहा. Okay, 5 managerial functions, concept of industrial management in your language you can write, and write down 1 page report, scan them. Okay, आणि ते तुमच्याजवळ ठेवा. मी तुम्हाला एक बघू आता काय पाठवायचं ते, गुगल फॉर्म पाठवेल किंवा ड्राईव्ह लिंक पाठवेल. ओके, शक्यतो गुगल फॉर्मच पाठवेल मी, हम्म? किंवा एक्सेल शीट काहीतरी बघू, काहीतरी मी तुम्हाला पाठवेन. सो आय विल कलेक्ट that one page report, okay, for your final term one. Hmm? So this is a assignment for you. Okay, so write down one page report today only, and save in your mobile. Okay, so whenever I will ask, so you have to send me, okay, whatever the you can upload. Huh? So there are 6 practical, so 6 page report is expected from my side. Okay, so start for that same also. Okay, so in next week we will start our next practical. What is practical? Tutorial on how to write semi. This is a very important. Okay, don't miss. Okay, definitely you will get very good idea for the project report making. Okay, so definitely I will try as maximum as. So this point will be very important for you also, because currently you are in this field. Okay, म्हणजे report writing तुम्हाला करायचं आहे थोड्या दिवसामध्ये. Okay, so what is the procedure, how to write research, how your report should be um, very well as compared to others. Okay, when your report will get maximum marks. Okay, proposal writing. Okay, कुठलं प्रपोजल इंडस्ट्रीज म्हणतो मी. ओके, इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये किंवा बँकेला द्यायचं असेल प्रपोजल आपल्याला. ओके, सो वेन एवर प्रपोजल विल बी गुड, डेफिनेटली द चान्सेस ऑफ ॲक्सेप्टिंग दॅट प्रपोजल इज ऑल्सो व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. Okay, so we will discuss that points also, okay, in our second practical. Okay, so if any doubt is there, you can ask me. So I will provide that manual in study material also, so you can take the help of that also. Okay, so today I will add one column in our study material sheet, and I will paste that manual link also. Is it right? So we will stop here, so don't left. So I will take attendance here. So thank you very much for attending this practical number 1.